Once verification is complete, your map will be updated and it will look a little different.
Well, this was fun. You were terrible at it.
Hey guys, this bottom feeder, this loser, this scum of the earth, tried impersonating Uber support with the intent of stealing my personal information so he can take my hard-earned money. There's no telling how many people he stole from. So many hard-working Uber drivers fall victim to this scam. It's truly sad. I recognized right away that this is a scam. So being the person that I am, I went along with it with the intent to waste his time and share this with you. Here's what happens. First, they request a ride and send you a message that looks like this.
This is a call from your Uber rider, and this call may be recorded.
Hello?
Yes, good evening, sir. My name is Michael Lewis, supervisor here at Uber. We text you a 626 number. You have to call that number that we text you, okay?
Why is that?
Uber Support Technology.
Hey, I was told to call this number.
Okay, my name is Michael Lewis, supervisor here at Uber Support Technology. One moment while we pull your file.
Sure.
Okay, Mr. Williams. Oh, okay, how is it going, sir?
It's going all right. How are you?
I'm fine as well. I'm fine as well. This is a verification process so we can understand that you're the correct driver authorized and vehicle support at this time. It looks like your account is temporarily locked due to the verification. Did a representative reach out to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why was it
you received
locked?
a verification message? Excuse me, sir?
Why was it locked?
Okay, due to the verification process, we're getting emails that drivers are renting their vehicles to friends and family members. We don't tolerate that at Uber Support Technology. So this verification process is so we can understand that you're the correct driver authorizing the vehicle Uber Support at this time. Once verification is complete, you will be reimbursed for the cancellation of this ride. Due to the verification, you're en route to pick up a passenger ID. Is that correct?
Okay, you're speaking a little fast for me.
My name is Michael Lewis. I'm a super. Once verification is complete, you will be credited for the cancellation of this ride. You would have to cancel the ride and go offline. We don't want to trouble your ratings. We see that you've been with us for 5 years. Okay. So we're going to need you to cancel the ride, head offline for security purposes only. You can inform me once you do so, okay?
Okay. Canceled.
Okay. We're going to need you to head offline for security purposes only.
Cool.
So can you verify how would you like to receive your payment? Are you familiar with Cash App?
No, I'm not familiar. What payment?
Due to the cancellation of the ride that we have here on file, we would have to credit you a $20 cancellation due to the verification. It would have to either come to Cash App due to the verification of remote support, due to the verification of the update, or it will come into your account 21 business days due to the update.
Okay.
So you would have an option like Cash App or Venmo, or if you're familiar with that, you can just text back your Cash App name and we can just send it over and update it to you as well, instantly.
Do you have any other methods other than those two? That's I don't have either of that.
Okay. So with that being said, here on the recorded line, due to the verification, we can update your account as well to get you back enrolled. It's up to you as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we sent you a verification message that says verify email address. Did you receive that verification, sir?
Verification at my email address?
It's a text message, sir. Did you receive that verification that says verify email address?
Okay, yeah, I got it. Done.
And can you verify the name of the branch that you have on file with us, sir? Right, that is the name of your bank, sir.
The name of my bank. I use Chase Bank.
Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do here now is update your account. Due to the verification, we update your account. We're going to send you a survey so we can complete to verify the information that we have here on file. It's the same information we have here updated to your account, okay?
Okay.
So once verification is complete, you're safely pulled over. Is that correct?
I'm pulled over.
Okay. So what we're going to do here now is update your account. Once verification is completed, your account will be updated automatically, okay?
Okay.
We sent you the survey from Uber Support Technology due to the verification.
Okay. I don't have my card with me. Is that okay?
Okay. You can just put the survey, you can put it in as blank, you could just submit it the same way as, and we'll just see what happens. Due to the verification here on file, once verification is completed here on file, your account will be activated automatically. We're just waiting for the update to be completed due to the verification. Okay, so we sent you the login here on file to connect your online banking. So you see the login, you would have to connect your online banking, so you can sign into your online banking. You would have 2 minutes. We're going to start the clock now, okay?
Let me know when it works.
Loading online. It's stated that it's pending and it's spelled. So you're supposed to sign into your account do the verification.
I don't need it updated. All the information is fine.
Yes, all of the information that we have here on file is updated, so your app is updating to 3D mode due to the verification. So we updated that as well.
It's updating
So
to
would I be
3D
sitting here
mode?
to record his line? Excuse me?
3D mode?
Yes. So that means once your app is updated to 3D mode, every driver that we have here on file, your map will look the same as here on file. Once verification is complete, your map will be updated and it will look a little different.
Well, this was fun. You're terrible at this. You truly are. I'm gonna see you on YouTube. Thanks for the cancellation fee, by the way. I'm gonna continue taking other trips.
Excuse me, sir?
You should probably get a real job, by the way.
Oh, yeah? For
Congratulations! You won a free stay at the Marriott Hotel Inn. All you have to do is tell me all of your... He hung up on me. Hey, I need support in something. Should I
Okay,
pull
what's the
over?
emergency?
Should I pull over safely and give you my social security number?
absolutely.
Please leave your
Thank you for watching, guys. Let's all contribute to catching Michael Lewis. I really think he should go to prison for this. So every time you share this video, it increases his chances of getting caught. If any of you recognize his voice, please report him to the police and let them take care of it.